Okay, in this recording, we are going to make a green screen. I'm going to key out a green screen. Go to composition, new composition. The duration is 30 seconds here. We can change that later on under composition settings if we want to by hitting Command K, but right now we're just going to keep it at 30 seconds. I am going to File, Import Files. You can hit Command I or Control I for Windows users, I believe, or right-click over the project bin over here, and you can import that. I'm going to import my green screen files right here. Open. There they are. And I'm going to drag that onto the timeline. You can see this one is only 15 seconds or so, so I'm going to go over to my composition settings and change that to 15 seconds. That's the entire length. So the first thing that I want to do is, well, you apply 3 different filters really in most keying applications. I'm going to go to Effect, Keying, Color Range. And under this one you have these 3 little whatever you call them, droppers. You're going to take a base sort of thing and then use the add one to do any additional saturations. And then you can just keep on doing that until you get a pretty decent thing. The problem, of course, with this one is that it's quite bright, so I'm going to do Command, Undo, change value, this one. So I'm going to actually redo some of that. Try not to get the white. Keep on going. That was actually really lousy, so I'm going to go ahead and start over. It helps if you have the screen really lit flatly behind. So I'm going to go to Effect, Generate, Keying, Color Range, the base. I'm going to stay away from that incredibly white area. And then maybe a little bit later I'll just mask that out. Okay, we'll keep it like that. The second effect that I'm going to use is the matte choker, and we'll see why in a second. Just sort of actually chokes the image, and you can soften that as well. And the last one that I'm going to use is the spill suppressor, and that would be under Keying, and then by default it's set to blue. We're going to actually go ahead and use the eyedropper and pick something that's relatively green, and that should work right there. And that's how you do a green screen in After Effects. And of course you want to save that.